Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export your videos on Davinci Resolve 19. So go to the deliver section, select the custom export. Maybe you want to export to YouTube. I'm just going to select this. You can adjust these settings, but I'm just going to select this one. Then I'm going to select add to render queue. You're then going to select save, and then it's going to go here, select render all, and just wait for the video to render. And that is it. It does take quite some time, especially if you add in more effects and if your video is longer than me, but I think my video is quite short and I didn't really add effects, so I can like show you guys just like how to export the video on Davinci Resolve. So I'm just waiting for this to load a little bit. And then as you can see, this is where your video will be saved to, and it's been saved. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.